Jai Gurudev, January 24th, 1996. Kauai, Hawaii. Knowledge Seat 33. Advice from Hawaii. What type of time do you give to prayer and meditation? Usually, you give it leftover time. When there are no guests, no nice movies to watch, no parties or wedding to attend, no shopping to do, no social media post to check out. This is not quality time. If your prayers are not answered, it is because you have never given them quality time. Give Satsang and meditation your highest priority. Give prime time to the divine. You will be rewarded. Newsflash. Here in Hawaii, we are all enjoying a fun-filled course this week. For we know God loves fun. The first copies of the long-awaited book titled Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, The Ways of Grace, duly arrived, and David and Gary presented them to Gurudev. Satsang is open to public each evening. The huge waves of Hawaiian shores cannot compete with the waves of bliss during Satsang. Gurudev brought out deep knowledge from the most mundane questions. Riddle. What is the most freely given yet not taken? First, compliments, known. Blame, no, people take blame. Money, no, money is readily taken, not freely given. Fourth, happiness, nobody can give happiness. Fifth, question mark. Clue. It hangs in the space like an orphan, no one owns it. Like an overripe papaya in Hawaii, it rots. The answer to this riddle lies in the beginning, aloha. I think the clue is, the answer is advice. It is freely given yet not taken. A very nice knowledge sheet that we should keep the prime time to the divine. It should be the highest priority to connect with ourselves and beyond the space-time. So from this knowledge sheet, please share that thought in the comment, that which thought of today's knowledge sheet stuck in your mind. Please comment, let me know, so we can share our thoughts. So from today's knowledge sheet, it is very much known that we do our sadhana, but it should be the first priority of our life, of our daily life. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev.